Welcome back. This is Jeffrey's regular channels. Maybe the last time, or unless it changes. We have one more operation weather. We have a severe thunderstorm warning in effect for Erie and Crawford counties until 2:30 this afternoon. They're saying at 12:53 p.m. Eastern, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from North Kingsville to 6 miles west of Middlefield. Wind gusts up to 70 miles per hour and penny-sized hail. Trees and power line damages around 60 miles in Ohio with these storms. The locations includes Erie, Meadville, Conneaut, Corey, Edinburgh, Titusville and Ness, Northeast, Union City, Girard, Cambridge Springs, Waterford, Albion, Linesville, Wattsburg, Adamsville, Potomac Central, Riceville. There's Potomac North as well. Riceville, Harmonsburg, and Guys Mills, all on this severe thunderstorm warnings in effect for Crawford and Erie counties until 2:30 this afternoon, all happening this Saturday, April 1st, 2023, from Jeffrey's regular channel page on YouTube. Also, they're saying the thunderstorm damages. They're also saying in Ohio that there's a steady, you got to stay away from those windows that there as well, is what they're calling for right now with these storms. So, but very quickly, let's do the forecast for tonight very quickly, because there's already thunderstorms around. There's already thunderstorms out there right now. I gotta hurry up with today's weather, and then we gotta stop. Windy with showers and thunderstorms. A few storms may be severe. High 62, chance of rain 90%. Tonight, snow showers. Low 24. Meadville today said the same thing. High 63, chance of rain 90 or 100%. Erie, they're saying today, if I can find it. Oh, today, showers and thunderstorms. Low, high 64, chance of rain 90%. And Northeast, windy with showers and thunderstorms. A few storms may be severe. High 60, chance of rain 100%. Tonight, periods of rain and snow. By the way, Erie tonight, oh my God, cloudy with rain early. So, calm down. I got down as early or quickly as we can. So, all right, this is my last storm update. So that's going to be it. Again, we have a severe thunderstorm warnings.
Calm down, I said.
In effect for Crawford and Erie counties until 2:30 this afternoon. So, but we're going to get off and we'll get back on if they decide to cancel that severe thunderstorm warning. If not, we'll talk to you guys, or the watch. If not, we'll talk to you guys later.